Up to date at 6:07, let's go outside with forecaster Dustin Staples, who is experimenting with water. So, is it really cold enough to freeze liquid water out there, Dustin?
We're getting close to it right now, but I have a really strong feeling by tomorrow we'll get there. It's kind of just messing around with it. It's very liquidy right now, and of course you kind of can see that. This is kind of a container I was able to find here in our kitchen. This is a regular plastic cup, and of course we've got a ceramic glass cup. This one's sort of halfway full, and of course in a little bit we'll let you know in the next half hour if these things freeze. It's over.
Caught up. Now let's head back outside with Dustin. Dustin, it looks pretty cold out there. Has the water froze yet?
Not quite, but I think the plastic is beginning to get a few little icicles here and here with it. So I got a knife out here, just kind of see how it is. And of course, really not much of that. I think I just broke a piece of ice off of it. But other than that, indicates that this is plastic. It's getting to get colder. This has got a little water in here, but not as much as this mug here on top of that too. So the experiment's probably tomorrow morning. It's going to be a lot colder. Now coming up in the 8 o'clock hour, we've got some t-shirts. We'll talk to you why that is in just a little bit.
Let's go outside with forecaster Dustin Staples, who is now experimenting with clothes. It looks like you have more water. What are you doing this time, Dustin?
Yeah, so unfortunately the water here is starting to really not solidify as I thought it was going to do, but maybe tomorrow morning before we go on the air, I may come here a little bit early to kind of freeze this, but this did sort of freeze over, representing, go Highlanders this morning. I don't think anybody from Radford's watching, but if they are, there's the one of 1,200 students on that list, including myself on there. But hey, it did freeze. We've got another shirt. It's got a polo, so we'll see if that does the trick in just a little bit.
And as you have been watching throughout the morning, we've been going outside with Dustin as he has showcased us the power of freezing temperatures in liquid. Have the t-shirts froze since the last half hour? Yes,
they have actually. We got a little block of ice in this thin t-shirt here, so it did work. I will say the polo here is starting to get a little frozen, but of course I think we'll leave it out here. Of course by the end of the show it'll probably be a solid brick of ice there. So anyway, the water test didn't do too well. My banana is also getting a little hard as well. We'll talk more about that, and tomorrow morning we'll be showcasing you bubbles and some wood. That's all just ahead.